In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a brake bleed on this Mazda 3. Make sure you clean off your cap and anything near it, free from any dirt, before removing your cap. For this vehicle, we aren't going to be able to siphon out the fluid because it doesn't have the right. I'll take this off and show you. It's too shallow to put anything in there to siphon it out. So what we're going to do instead is make sure it's topped off with clean fluid. Make sure you use whatever the manufacturer recommends for brake fluid. On this vehicle, the cap says .4. Just make sure it says that in your manual as well. And we're going to bleed out the old fluid at our furthest wheel away from the master cylinder, which is the right rear. Once you see all that fluid that's dirty come out and it starts coming out clean, then we're going to close the bleeder down. Now that you have bled out all the old fluid, I'm going to clean our cap one more time, open it up, and refill the master cylinder with clean fluid. Clean up your mess. Put your cap back on. And now we can do the full brake bleed procedure. Starting in the right rear, then the left rear, then we're going to go to the right front, and then the left front. Make sure that you have a drain bucket below before proceeding, or something like we have to catch the brake fluid. We're going to take our cap off the bleeder screw. I'm using a 10mm wrench. I'm going to loosen this up. I have somebody in the vehicle that's going to pump the brakes up for me. Pump them up, please. He's holding. I'm going to break it free. It's to the floor. I'm going to close it back down. Pump it up. As we're doing this, we're going to look for air bubbles going down the tube. Pump it up one more time, please. He's holding. To the floor. I'm going to close it back down and move on to my left rear. Take this off. Clean it off. And put our cap back on. All right, now that we've done our back two wheels, midway through, we're going to check our fluids. Replace your cap. All right, now that you've topped that off, you can proceed to the right front. We just topped off our brake fluid, and now we're here at the right front. Take off the cap. You're going to use a 9mm wrench for the front bleeder. And have your friend inside the car pump it up. Okay, pump it up. Pump it up. Close that down. Make sure it's tight. We're going to clean it off and put the cap back on. And now we're going to go to the left front. Now that we've done all four wheels, I'm going to clean the cover, take it off, and top off our fluids. Make sure you fill it to max. Clean up any fluid that you may have spilled. You can get in your vehicle, check your brake pedal, make sure it's right at the top, nice and firm. and then take it for a road test. If it is not, you're going to have to redo the brake bleed procedure again.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.